Guys, we're still in the heart of Oceana County in Elbridge Township, Hart, Michigan. We're on the west side of North 128th Avenue this time on a 30-acre parcel that's got road frontage on a county-maintained road. It's a dirt road, it's got electric at it, and you have year-round access. The 30-acre parcel itself has over 1,000 feet of creek frontage. You've got mature hardwoods, you've got some cover throughout it, and you have a very aggressive slant going up the hill, which gives you amazing views of the surrounding area. This property was originally used for cattle. There's a lot of cattle field here. It's got a plethora of options for you. Right now, there's tons of great hunting opportunities. You can see deer highways running throughout it, and it's just in a fantastic location overall. You can't hear a single vehicle. We've been out here for probably 2 hours walking around both of these parcels, and it's just silent with the sound of nature surrounding us the entire time. Believe me when I say you do not want to miss this one. Get out here, give me a call so we can set up a private showing for you. It's also got an old cattle barn on it, so you don't want to miss it. Call me at 231-327-1701. If you don't want to miss another one like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to have a great day.